Hofmann-Loffler-Freytag reaction. It's the reaction in which N-halogenated amines will converted to cyclic amine in presence of acid and in photochemical condition. The preparation of N-halogenated amines by this amine reacted with base NaOCl or N-chlorosuccinamide N-chlorosuccinamide will get N-halogenated amines. N-halogenated amines in presence of acid and in photochemical condition gives cyclic amines. You see the mechanism. N-halogenated amine when reacted with acid, it will protonated. The pair of electrons of nitrogen will donated to the proton and it will protonated, and further it will be in the form, this long chain, it will be in the form of this. It is subjected to photochemical condition. Then there is homolytic cleavage of NCl bond and this C and H bond. H and Cl radicals are removed. This biradical intermediate is formed. This biradical intermediate undergo further reaction in following two mechanisms. This biradical species form a transition state, biradical transition state, and further it will form a bond, and when base is added to this hydrogen is removed by this base and this positive charge become neutral and you get cyclic amine. And this biradical intermediate where hydrogen and chlorine radicals are removed, this chlorine radical will go and attack to this, and this hydrogen radical go and attack to this, form this intermediate. Further H plus is removed and this charge become neutral. The pair of electrons on nitrogen will attack on this chlorine containing electron deficient carbon, and this chlorine is removed. You get this cyclic amine. Here you have positive charge because of nitrogen donated electrons to this, so that proton will remove by making this positive neutral one and will get cyclic amine. It is the reaction. Hofmann-Loffler-Freytag reaction is the reaction of conversion of N-halogenated amine to cyclic amine in presence of strong acids H2SO4 like H2SO4 in presence of photochemical condition. It has take place by free radical mechanism.